Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, we are back with your teasers. So we are back with Inimba, the July teaser. Guys, Inimba, we all love it, right? At this point, we are sitting and we are wondering, ukuthi basiphatheleni kahle kahle. So here goes Inimba for the month of July 2025. And it reads as follows. Tuesday, the 1st of July. Sins of the parents. The Mabanda family is fast crumbling as the truth about Hlathi and Zoleka's affair lands on the children. Sydney shows that he's got a good heart as a leader at Khusela, while Zoleka and Lazarus scheme behind his back. Wednesday the 2nd of July. Thumeka's world comes crashing down as she loses everything that she holds dear, and her future looks bleak. Lwandle finds out Zoleka and Lazarus' secret, and he uses it to his advantage. Thursday, the 3rd of July. My apologies. Wasikwa Yinimba. Thumeka spirals into dark corner and takes a fatal decision and leaves the whole family heartbroken. Lwandle Mawethu and Zoleka continue to work sneakingly behind Sydney's back. Friday the 4th of July. Family crisis. Thumeka's life hangs in the balance. The family fears the worst outcome and the children blame Zoleka and Hlathi for everything. Likamva and Hlathi have a horrible fight, and the Mabanda family faces a future without its matriarch. Oh no. No, they must not kill Thumeka, please. Monday the 7th of July. Shame and regrets. Hearts are broken as the Mabanda struggles to get through without Thumeka. In their time of sorrow, Magaba pleads for the family to reunite. Likamva blames Hlathi for the family's pain, and Mawethu shows up for the love of his life. Tuesday the 8th of July. Darkest before dawn. Zoleka is shocked to learn that Yanga has moved in following an unfortunate situation at home with Thumeka. Sydney reaches out to Lwandle with aim of fixing their broken relationship. Wednesday the 9th of July 2025. Likamva hears a conversation that may tear apart his relationship with his father for good. Sydney fights to reunite his family, and Zoleka tries her best to be a good mother to Yanga, but with major challenges. Is it Yanga? I think I'm pronouncing it right. Thursday the 10th of July. Unwanted children. Hlathi tries to fix things with his aggrieved son. Mawethu wants to come clean to Kawe about his past with Zoleka. Sydney starts to suspect that his trusted staff are moonlighting for his enemy. Friday the 11th of July. Rebel with a curse. Likamva turns into a rebel with a curse, positioning himself as a head of Mabandla family, while Yanga gives Zoleka a headache in her own house. Samkelo takes his shot at success and puts Zintle in her place. Monday the 14th of July. Blood is thicker. Oh, blood is thinner. Hlathi's attempts to discipline his children backfire when they give as good as they get. Sydney's panic over Zoleka coming back makes him lose his focus. Tuesday the 19th of July. Discipline. Hlathi and Zoleka's paradise gets reality check when Yanga's latest stunt proves Zoleka to when Yanga's latest stunt drives Zoleka to the edge. Samkelo dreams and realizes thanks to Zintle. Samkelo's dreams are realized thanks to Zintle. Mawetu becomes jealous of Kawe and Lwandle's booming friendship. Wednesday, the 16th of July. With love comes complications. Zoleka tries to keep the peace by doing the right thing, but it backfires on her. Sydney discovers that Lazarus and Zoleka have been lobbying Khusela clients behind his back, including some stuff. Thursday, the 17th of July. It was you. Yanga's truthful words about her father weigh heavily on Hlati's heart. Sydney gets proof that there are people at Khusela working with Zoleka behind his back. Hlati is made accountable for destroying his family. Friday the 18th of July. Fall from grace. Zoleka goes into the ring to fight for her position, and the results come back unexpected. Thumeka makes a plan for the future with the help of her children. Monday the 21st of July. Back to the beautiful basics. Zoleka puts full focus on her family. Lwandle panics that he'll be found out for secretly collaborating with Zoleka. And Sydney makes a shocking discovery about his daughter. Tuesday the 22nd of July. The way to a man's heart. Zoleka's romantic gesture blows up in her face when she's reminded of an enemy. Thumeka struggles to adjust to life. Sydney uses his power to send a message to Samkelo. Wednesday the 23rd of July. If a man breathes, you can't touch him. Hlati works overtime to make things up to Zoleka. Thumeka resorts to taking the first step in becoming independent. Zinhle is distraught that Samkelo will choose his work over her. Thursday the 24th of July. Boomerang effect. Thumeka's quest to build a life of her own leads her back to the people causing her pain. Domestic life starts to be a problem for Zoleka. Friday the 25th of July. Shadow face is seen. Sydney finds out exactly who has been working with Zoleka behind his back, and all hell breaks loose. All hell breaks loose. Zoleka is thrown back into Khusela trouble, and this time she's ready for war. Monday the 28th of July. New beginnings. Sydney finds himself at a crossroad of deciding how to deal with betrayal from a loved one. Things start to take a great shape for Thumeka, while Zoleka and Hlati have to navigate around the new normal of their lives. Tuesday the 29th of July. The fight back begins. Despite her personal struggles, Zoleka finds the courage to fight back to get back on top of the game. While at home, she and Hlati's beliefs on everything become a stumbling block in their marriage. Thumeka's ambition grows. Wednesday the 30th of July. The Queen's Rise. Zoleka and Lazarus have Sydney backed into a corner. His lies can't save him this time. And Zoleka has her eye back on the throne. Zoleka refuses to be put in her place by Hlati. And Thumeka's new look brings her new confidence. Yes, when I girl. Thursday the 31st of July is the same surname. While Zoleka gets back to the top of the throne, at home, while Zoleka gets back to the top of the throne, at home, she starts to remember what it is to be married to a traditional man. Linda worries where her future stands at Khusela now that Zoleka is back. Yes, that is Inimba. The premiere episodes of Inimba air Monday to Friday at 21:00. It took the slot of Iqebeg. Guys, This is happening. Inimba is the it thing. If you are not watching, I don't know what you're doing. Please, 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 please go watch Inimba. It is interesting. It will keep you glued to your TV. It will just give you the content that you are paying for. Now, DSTV, now when you watch Inimba, you know what you're paying for. This is your girl, Adisebo D. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.